Are you sitting comfortably? Please make yourself at home.
On tonight's bedtime story
Is the story of Bear.
We understand that the situation at home must be very difficult, and we send our deepest condolences to you.
He's the one that did this. He's the one that hurt my baby.
How do you know that?
A crook, a liar, and he still hasn't paid my wages yet. So what are you telling me?
But I don't think they understand how much I've actually had to sacrifice.
Had a shame. Still have customers round here. Isolation.
Like I just can't breathe.
Rip them away from their families. At first it slept soundly all through the night.
I don't go to parties anymore.
A very ghastly sight. It would be rude to think we take healthy children and make them sick.